The palace has appointed Jose Luis Martin Chito Gascon as the new Commission on Human Rights chairperson. Gascon is a member of the Human Rights Victims Claims Board. He was the youngest member of the Constitutional Commission that drafted the 1987 Constitution. He assumed office today as the new chairman of the Commission on Human Rights, replacing former Commissioner Eta Rosales, whose term ended on May 5.
Hinahanap natin sa usapin ng human rights ay ang pagbabalanse nitong mga karapatan ng tao at ang pagsisigurado na ang mga duty bearers ay alam nila yung kanilang tungkulin sa ilalim ng batas.
President Aquino also appointed Director Karen Gomez Dumpit of the CHR Government Linkages Offices and Gwendolyn Pimentel Gana, daughter of former Senator Nene Pimentel, and DOJ USEC Lea Tanodra Armamento.